Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 111 York Road. This lovely, spacious, mid-terrace property benefits from having a good-sized extended dining kitchen, and it is also located close to high street amenities. Okay, and then moving into the property, and we have the entrance vestibule with the door leading into this hallway here. Lovely original mint and tile flooring. And then straight ahead, we've got the open plan dining kitchen. Stairs just here on the left hand side, and then the separate reception room here facing the front aspect of the property. Nice bay window and lovely high ceilings. And then moving through to this lovely open space here, where we have living space, and there's also a built-in understairs storage pantry just in the corner. Then we have the breakfast bar area, and then the dining area with Velux windows above, providing lots of natural light. And we have a range style cooker, an integrated dishwasher, and there's also a wine cooler which is integrated as well. And we've got double doors going out into the garden. And then a door through here into the bathroom, where we have a panel bath as well as a fully tiled corner shower cubicle. And then the wash basin and WC. Okay, then on to the first floor. Got the stairs leading up to the loft room, and then the front of the property, have a bedroom here with two windows to the front aspect, currently used as a further living space. But very good proportions in this room, nice decorative fireplace. And then across to the next bedroom. Again, really good size. Having a window to the rear. And a built-in understairs cupboard, providing some further storage space. And then up into the loft room, where we have Velux windows to the front aspect, some built-in storage. Okay, and then just heading outside, we have a blue slate chipped pathway, and then a step up to a lovely shaped patio space with stocked flower bed borders. And then there's a artificial grass area and timber shed to the rear, and then we have the gate going to the access point. Just in the corner there of the garden. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact us as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.